Hi, welcome to Test Break and Learn. Today my oscilloscope arrived, so you will join me on my quest to collect it and open and test it out.
Big desire, switch the code, flick the switch. If it fails, we learn from it. Test, break and learn, push it till the smoke returns. Build it wrong and build it right, little blinks in the quiet night. Test, break and learn,
I have coffee.
plug it in and watch it turn.
Don't mind the mess. Park office, laboratory. This will be the first power on this. By the way, this is a Rigol DHO804, 70 megahertz, 12 megabits resolution. This will be sufficient for me to use maybe a lifetime. Okay, so I just uploaded a simple sketch to send an analog value. I'm writing it out just to see that it's running. This is what I have right now. Let's just press auto, see. It's not quite what I was expecting. I wanted to see like when we calibrate. Okay, so here we have two periods. It's off, on, off, on. VPP, it's the voltage peak to peak. So 333 millivolts. If we would have a LED, let's I thought we would see it go up and down, and maybe it's a little. It's very faint. Now we have a static PWM signal. Maybe this one is easier to measure as well. This is, look at this. We have a weird boing. Just some initial testing. Let's see what happens when I pull this out. Okay, so we get a higher peak to peak, so there's no voltage drop, but it's okay. Let's see on this side. This is only noise. This is some weird. Maybe it's because it's such a low frequency. Let's do 100. And now let's see. This is not as weird as the other one, because in the middle of the period we had a off. I don't know what that that was, but I will have to play around with this and see what we can learn. There's a lot of buttons here. Memory depth. Let's max it out. See. Okay. We had a memory depth sampling. It was set to, I don't know if it was 1 million or 10, but I changed it to 25. This looks a lot nicer now. We can redo this one with a delay of 200 milliseconds. This is gonna I'm hoping it's gonna give we're gonna see different cycles. Yeah, okay. Look, we can see how the duty cycle is increasing. You can see the value is increasing. The width of the on cycle is increasing as proportionally to how much we put out. Okay, and it starts over. Okay. Before I had this memory depth set very low. That's why it looked really weird. This is really stupid of me. Okay, I haven't even connected my ground pin. Look how much better it looks. If we can, let's do a single, save it here, and okay, we can see now a voltage drop across our resistor. I'm measuring before the resistor, and I'm now measuring. Blue one is before resistor, and yellow is after. So we can zoom in on this one. So there's a slight delay after the resistor, but I don't know. We could measure this, how much the difference is. Can I compare? What is this? Operation on. I wonder if this is okay. There's too much. As you can see, I have no idea what I'm doing right now. I will come back later when I have something more to show you. And I don't know if you found this helpful or fun or anything like this, but for me, it's fun to learn something new, something that I have fiddled with. I have touched this before, but never understood. I don't know what I'm gonna do next, but see you later. I hope you like the video. Can you give it a like? I don't have any likes yet on YouTube. See you later.